Good evening, everyone. I'm PIG SDG9, which is Industry Innovation and Infrastructure. So this SDG focuses or aims to create or build infrastructure and foster innovation that is sustainable and equitable for all, not just ready for disaster or resilient for disaster, but also environmentally friendly. So I, as an advocate of change, I encourage everyone, we as an advocates of science, technology, and mathematics, through our collective efforts, we can achieve not just a change, but we can achieve a milestone. Not just this particular SDG, but also the other SDGs, to create and build an empowered, a sustainable, and a just world, not just for us, the current generations, but also for the future generations to come. Thank you.